Hello, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are doing a Xbox Series X HDMI port replacement. I've already prepped the board, prepped the pads. Let's go ahead and dig in. Might get a little love, and I want to turn down the audio. 3, 2, 1. Maybe would have fallen off then. Alright, and it looks like tinning those pads saved us from the possibility of any kind of torn pads. Pretty nifty. Something I noticed though that nobody ever does address on the Series X is replacing these. So when I do mine, I always put solder pads back there and I check it and make sure that they melt on to the port. Make sure it's nice and solid. Make sure that the solder goes all the way through on the post and everything. Anyhow, let's move forward. The post holes are starting to take too long to clear out, so we're going to jump ahead a bit.